We are making homemade minced meat today. So I have my meat here. This is boneless meat. There are no bones in it. So I'm going to go ahead, cut it, and we continue. So as you can see, I've removed all the skin from the meat itself. So there's the skin. We are going to be using just this. So let's continue. We are cutting this into smaller sizes. So I'm going to cut it, then I show you. So I've finished cutting it into smaller sizes. We are going to put them on the plate or a tray and keep it in the freezer for some time. So you have to arrange it, making it very spacious so that when it freezes, it doesn't all become a one big chunk. So you arrange it neatly onto a plate or a tray, then you put it in the freezer. So I'm going to put this in the freezer for about 3 hours. So see you later then. So I just brought it out from the freezer. It's frozen now a bit, not too frozen. I'm going to put it in the blender here and blend it. So usually you are supposed to use a food processor. That is much quicker and easier to use. But I'm going to try the blender and see. So remember not to blend it at top speed. Medium is fine. Yes. So after blending, our meat is looking like this. This is grounded meat, homemade. Yes, I'm using this for meatballs. So watch our next episode to see how meatballs are made. Thank you.